Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to restore access to your WooCommerce admin login. Following these steps will help you regain control of your online store quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to your website.com/WP-admin. Make sure you are on the official admin page of your website. Step 2. Click Lost Your Password. If you forgot your password, click Lost Your Password and enter the email address associated with your WooCommerce/WordPress account. Step 3. Check your email. Open the password reset email from WordPress. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. Click the reset link in the email. Step 4. Create a new, strong password. Enter a new password that is strong and unique. Avoid using passwords from other sites. Confirm the password and save it. Step 5. Log into WooCommerce admin. Return to your WordPress login page, enter your email and new password, and access your WooCommerce admin dashboard to manage products, orders, and settings. For more quick and helpful WooCommerce tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.